Hey guys, in today's look I'm going to show you how to create this another spring inspired look. It's rose gold with pink and yellow accent on the bottom lash line with a pinky coral lip. If you guys want to see this, and then let's just get right into it. Alright, I've already started off with a primed eye. I used MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot today. To start off, I'm going to go into this shade here called Saucy Mist from MAC. It is a violet orchid color. And I'm going to take this in the crease and in, what was I going to say? This turns more pink on my skin. I wish it stayed more on the orchid side, but this turns more pink on my skin, so that's okay. So I'm just going to buff this out into the crease. Bring it into the inner corner as well. Itchy nose. And then take a little bit more. I'll have to go back and add some more of this after because that's just the way I like to do my eyes. Now I kind of failed on this side. I added a little bit of like black to try and deepen the color I used, well, the color I'm going to use next. And it didn't really work out so well. But, I mean, that seems to be the way my makeup tutorials are going lately. I don't know what it is, but okay, so then after, that's really pretty pink color. It never looks like there's any color right in here, but like there is. Ugh, I hate it. Okay, so I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered, and I'm taking the shade Risque, this one right here, and I'm taking that on a smaller brush, and I'm putting that right on the outer edge. I tried to deepen up this color. Actually, I used the other shade first. Shoot. I'm already screwing up. Oh well. It'll still turn out fine. So I'm taking this KVD Beauty eyeshadow in the shade, it's a cream foil in the shade Crystal Rose. It's a gorgeous rose gold color. Look at the shine on that. And I'm taking this on my finger because it doesn't need any help whatsoever, and I'm tapping that on the lid, all over the lid, blending it up just a bit, taking a little more on my finger. Such a pretty color. Okay, so on this side I added that first, and then I went in with that burgundy color from the Huda Beauty palette. So there we go, adding it there. Now I'm probably going to have to go ahead and add, see, that's how I wanted it. I didn't want it like that, but I mean that doesn't look that bad. So I'll go ahead and add a little bit of Black Turtle, the mistake color that I have to repeat on this side. I'm doing it on a bigger brush though, not a smaller brush, because I think that's the mistake that I made, and even then, like, I still don't love the way the color turned out. I know with black eyeshadows people like it in palettes because it says you can help, well, people say you can turn any look into a darker look. You can, but I just find that it doesn't, for me it doesn't work very well. Anyways, I'm going to go back in with that Risque shade on that same bigger dome brush, and I'm going to put that over top. Just because I don't want the black, I don't want it to be black, I just want it to be like a darker shade of plum. I'm actually going to go back and forth between the two and put it on this side again. Ugh. Just because I want it to be more of a, I screwed it up again. Now it's just getting even deeper. Oh man. I'm having, does anyone else have days or weeks where like you're doing your makeup and like nothing seems to ever work out for you? I don't know what it is lately, but that is happening to me. I am not having good makeup days. Alright, I'm going to go back in with that foil shadow and tap a little more over top to blend it. And you can hear Sebastian's getting annoyed in the background yet again. Alright, I think that's okay. I'm just going to take a little more on this side to blend this one together. Alright, and then I'm taking my fluffy brush again, and I'm going to take that shade Risque, and I'm going to take that in the crease, and blend it out and in towards the center of the lid to help blend everything together. Taking my brow bone shade, my Urban Decay Strange. My brows are hurting more and more lately. I feel like I'm losing my hairs. I hate it. Alright, taking that Strange shade on top of the brow bone. And then just blending the outer corner here so it's nice and blown out and diffused. Do you guys always find you have one better eye than the other? This is my good eye, this is my bad eye. I always have to work harder with this eye for some reason. Okie dokie. What is next? I think I'm going to take a little more of that cream shadow and bring it up more. It doesn't look quite even. Okay. I'm going to apply a little bit of liner, I'm going to apply my liner, put some foundation on, and come back and finish the look with you guys. Alright, so for foundation, I used my L'Oreal True Match Lumi in the shade W5. What else? What did I do? Oh yeah, for blush, for highlight, I used my Wet n Wild Blossom Glow, the pinky one here with the little flower on it. That's also in my basket to use. For blush, I use my Buxom Breathless Blush. That is also in my makeup basket to use. What is next? For lower lash line, I wanted to do something with spring inspired, so I'm going to take my NARS eyeliner as a gold base and apply that. I need to get a new one of these because this one is not working very well anymore. And I'm taking my Pastel Goth palette. Use any yellow you have. I know there's a few palettes out there that have yellow shades in them now. So I'm taking the yellow shade that's in here on I'm not using a really dense brush because I do have that cream product underneath to help make it stick. If you want to use a more denser brush, you just get a stronger payoff. I think I need a new yellow. This one's too highlighter yellow for me. I want more of a softer yellow. It looks like it's a mustard color on camera. We'll see when I play it back what color it actually is. I always forget. Okay. So, don't forget to blend the outer corners here too. I'm just taking my bigger brush that I had the purple on, and I'm going over the yellow and the purple to mix the two in the corner. And then for the inner corner, I'm taking this eyeshadow here from Makeup Geek. It's called Voltage. And I'm taking that on this part here. I'm going to try and make more of an effort to be more in frame. When I'm editing them back and I'm not, when I'm like this and doing my blush, I hate that. I feel so bad. Part of me wants to not put the tutorial up, but at the same time, I wanted to keep it up. Because I did spend time working on it. Anyways, so this color is just going to blend into the yellow to create, alright, a little bit more on the inner corner here to match. For the inner corner highlight, I had a Maybelline highlight that shattered, and I ended up picking, if you watched my most recent Shop My Stash video, it was in there, and I just ended up picking it up off the floor and salvaging it. So I used that on the inner corners because I just wanted to change from yellow to gold because I always use gold, so I used that. I'm not sure if I love it, but it is what it is. I'm just taking a Q-tip here because I went a little too far on the lower lash line over here. Guess I could use the viewfinder as a mirror, but it's too far away. And now I feel like I took too much of it off. So I'm putting a little more of it back on. Okay. For the inner, I think I'm going to add some eye brightener to the inner part here. You can use yellow if you have a yellow pencil. I don't have a yellow pencil, so I'm just using this Anastasia brightener. What is this? I don't even know. Highlighter crayon. It's relatively old, but it's just like a cream pencil that you can use to brighten your waterline with. So I put that on to help brighten my eyes up. If you have yellow, use yellow. I have yellow, but I'm not going to use it because I don't feel like it right now. Okie dokie. So my brows are already done. The only thing I have left to do is mascara. I already sprayed my face with my MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to do a lip. Do I want to do Corally Peachy? Not sure. I'm going to do mascara and come back and finish the lip with you guys. Alright, mascara is on. For lips, I'm going to do a little bit of a combination. Both of these lip products are from my Makeup to Use basket or Shop My Stash. The first one is this YSL lipstick in the shade 15. It's the Rouge Volupte Shine. Not really too sure if those are still available or not. And my MAC lip gloss in the shade Angel. So I'm going to go over this first. It's just like a coral color. I kind of wanted to do coral, but at the same time I wanted to stick with something more pink tone because it kind of matches the eyes a little bit better. And then over top of that, I'm going to go over with the Angel lip gloss. Okay, and I think that completes the look. I don't think there's anything else to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It is spring inspired, like I want to get more into lately. I'm trying to stay away from the darker looks, but sometimes I'll feel like doing those. Anyways, I'm going to stop rambling. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching, and you will see me in my next video. Bye!